It's a problem. No, I don't want to. No, what will
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, not over there. I'm catchy.
okay.
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape,
You have to
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape.
What?
Dumbledore.
We're recording!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape.
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley.
Snape.
Ron,
Snape.
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley.
Snape.
Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Snape.
Dumbledore.
Hermione.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Yeah. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. That's me.
Snape.
Harry.
Snape.
Harry.
Snape.
Harry.
Snape.
Harry.
Snape.
Harry.
Snape.
Harry. Dumbledore.
Hermione.
Snape.
Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's the pipe bomb. Yeah. Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.
What's your own got you? Bye, Lucian. Cursor.